Hey everyone, Nugboy here. Sorry if I sound a little sick. I have been sick. Let me just. I think we're good. We're back in Teardown, and there's Keanu's here again. You can probably tell he's already pissed. I can grab his pee now because we're in space again. If you saw my last video, you know, like that we went to space. Oh, shit. You'll know that we went to space. So he's back, I'm back. I'm gonna test out a few new mods today because there are new mods. Isn't that awesome? So we're just in this little spacecraft. Very, very cool indeed. Let's just have some fun. Let's just play some Teardown, relax, and I don't fucking know, man. You might notice that I've got a few more mods. As I said, I've got this. Jesus. Oh. I didn't think anything flammable would be in a space station. I've got a fish launcher. Hi, little buddy. Welcome to space. Is this an AC-130? Oh, look at that. A space AC-130. Oh, Jesus. Sorry, NASA. What? I think I just killed my... Oh. I blew my fucking self up. Okay, the game is already super laggy. All I've done is call in an AC-130. Is that the Earth? I'm gonna restart. The lag is already pissing me off. Alright, I also got a shotgun called Dragon's Breath. Let's see what that does. Neat. Oh yeah, I've got this. Wait, is it open? No thanks. No thanks. Oh, do I dare jump out? Keanu! Come on, we're doing a spacewalk. We're doing a spacewalk. You go first. I'm not going first. You go first. Oh, good, I can't fall. Oh, that is scary. Sorry, whoever's house I just hit. That is so scary. It's just pitch black. Is that the sun? Nice. You think you're just gonna pussy out and just let me do this on my own? Not happening. Get out here with me. Look, see, isn't it nice? I think it's quite nice. Whee! That's gone forever. We're never seeing that again. Sorry. What's this? Do I have a fucking aimbot pistol? Nice. I also have this. What does this do? Are you just a watch? What do you do? But what does that actually do? Oh yeah, I have these as well. Just... No, And then if I want them all gone, I can just boop. All gone. Nice and tidy. What is this? What does this do? What? What is happening? That's fucking useless. It doesn't play music or anything. Bye. I don't think it's meant to go straight up in space, but here we are. Oh yeah, I got pianos as well, but they don't really hit because you know, zero gravity and all that. Zero gravity, man. It'll get you. Look at it. Now we just got like a nice musical thing in space. Also got a lightning gun. Jesus. Can I use this in space? Does it do anything? Kinda. That's bright. Sun is bright. Who would have thought? Thermite cannon as well. Very nice. Very nice. Sort of cut that off like a bit of Swiss cheese. Can I grab this and then just... Alright, the game is very laggy again. I think it's because I've caused like 15 fires. Okay, let's test out some other things that you can do with this. Okay, so I've got that. What is this? What is happening? I don't know what any of this means. Is it? What is that? I just want to see what other stuff I can do with this mod pack. As you can see, you've got this way you get all your mods. As you can see, there's a lot more shit that we can just fuck around with now. The rewind mod, what is this? Is that what the cassette did? It rewinds time.
Yeah, it's rewind time.
Okay, yeah, I really want to play this. I really want to play this. Wait, can I fly helicopters? Oh, that's all I've ever wanted to do. Can I? Okay, let's just go up. Oh, nice. Okay, don't fall into the water. We're looking to die. And then jump out. Oh. Hey, I'm still in. Oh shit. Mayonnaise. Oh, I got glitched out. What? Wasn't me. It's got nothing to do with me. Alright, pull up. Pull up now. Pull up now. That wasn't my fault. Was it, Windows? Okay, let me out of this. I don't want to fly that again. That was scary. Alright, we got a few of these as well. Very nice. How do I turn the sirens on? I don't think I can. Ah! Okay. What else should we fly? Here we go. You better actually fucking take off. Do not crash into the building. You're gonna crash into the building, aren't you? Alright, we got up. We got up. Just a bit of a wing there, but we got up. Oh shit. I'm not supposed to be here. Fire weapon. Here we go. Okay, can I get out? Am I on a farm? What does that say? Am I falling? I'm back. Okay, every time I fucking fly one of these planes, it just lags out. Oh, cool. This is like a giant skyscraper level. I'm here because I want to test out this natural phenomenon. What's Aurora Borealis? Oh, very pretty. And now we do volcano. Where is it? Oh shit. Shit. Keanu. Shit. Get in the building. 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 I can't fucking move. Sorry, I gotta leave you. I'm sorry. Make your way into the building. The building doesn't do anything. Okay. Get it, treadmill. Very cool. Alright, that's enough of that. Oh. War of the Worlds is about to happen. It's been 350 days since the apocalypse started. Haven't seen my dog. His name is Keanu. I like this one. This is very, very nice. Look at the sun rays. Can you... Oh! I don't know why I love that so much. Now we can actually test out some of the shit as well. I don't know what this does. It says it's a rewind tool, so I'm just gonna break that. And if I use this, will it rewind time? Pretty sure it switches back whenever I frickin' use it. It doesn't do anything. It's rewinding, apparently. Oh, it is. It's rebuilding it. But the glare sort of like, just like, you know, just evaporates everything around it. So if I break, will this? Nice. And then very nice. I still want to test out some of these. I will destroy the building, I promise. Typhoon. Jesus fucking Christ. Keanu, how many times do I gotta say this? Stop doing this. I'm in the middle of a fucking hurricane and you're... Keanu? Keanu, come back. I'm sorry, you can be wherever you want. Come back. Come back! Okay, yeah. What about without my Keanu? Here we go, sandstorm. It's okay, I can rescue him. I don't think I rescued him. Right. Little Sandy. Miss Sandy. Firefly. See, some of these are very nice. Then there's also these. Alright, let's remove all effects. Back to normal. Now I want to show you the piano gun. Now things are probably going to get very laggy, but that's okay. I love the piano gun. Sorry. My bad. Nice. Now, I actually really want to know what this does. I'm pretty sure it's just a watch. Is it just a watch? It makes everything very laggy. I'm gonna throw this, and I'm gonna break some shit. Does it like freeze time? Oh, I think it do. Let's knock this off its pause. It freeze time. So if I go like this, everything will fall. pain in my lungs. Oh no, Keanu, I'm sorry. That's pretty cool though. Nice. That's a little yellow. Now I'm gonna take the building off its supports using this. I hate that that sign wasn't destroyed. It's eating me up inside. This is nice. This is effective. Like if I take it off its supports, will it like crumble and fall? I hope it does. Still standing? Oh. I knew the game would get laggy. Oh, I think it's falling. It's falling! This is everything I've wanted. This is... Teardown is at its peak. I gotta just sit and watch, because, it is extremely laggy, and understandably. I mean, I did just destroy a fucking skyscraper. Oh! I love Teardown so much right now. Dude, that is fucking awesome. The ground just like ate it. I mean, that's what happens when stuff hits the ground. It tends to break. It's so laggy, but I just don't care. Because this is so cool. High chairs, high tables. Okay, let's restart. There's more to do with this building. I know we can do more. Okay, so maybe I'll just like cut it in half. So it don't really get as laggy. Actually, I'll use my AC 130. Can I see myself actually? I don't think I can. Okay, so zoom out a little. We use this. Hey. It's already fucking laggy. The AC 130 is too powerful. Water cannon. Actually, I can just use this. Just use some acid. Should work. Okay, this is not working at all. That's a lot less laggy on the ground. I should not have used the AC 130 for this job. That was not smart of me, because the AC 130 just lags everything out. The apartment's a little bit smoky. Okay, yeah, I should have just probably used this. It's much more efficient. It's much more efficient. freaking really a bit of a nicer tool. Should I restart again? Yeah, I'll restart again. I'm cutting this building in half. Okay, this time I'll just use this. See? Now we don't have all the lag. I want to be inside it when it falls though. Maybe I should... Oh, that's what I used the watch for! You guys are so freaking smart. I mean, it was my idea, but... I just want to compliment you guys. The 20 people that follow me. And Seth. Seth comments. Seth is my friend, and we're gonna do a video. I'm gonna do a video with Seth. How's it still standing? Oh, wait. You! Okay, this is a second chance. Now I gotta go... Actually, I'll go a bit higher. I've gotta go in here. Here seems good. And once I break this, it should be off its supports. Is it? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Move it a little. I'm just gonna move it a little so it actually falls. Alright, let's go up. Jesus Christ, it's already fucking laggy. I know it'd be laggy, but... Where's the watch? Where's the watch? I've lost the watch. Hello? Where's the watch? Do I seriously have to restart again? Because I lost the freaking watch. Fine. Okay. I've done it again. Now I just do that. Now all this is off. Now that I actually know where the watch is. I know where the... No. Don't tell me I've lost it again. I literally just threw it. Oh no, okay, good. I would look real stupid if I lost it twice. Oh, there it goes. I really wanted to be inside it, but I just don't think that that's doable. Oh no. Oh no. There it goes. Sorry about your apartment. Sorry. Keanu, are you seeing this? I don't know what happened. The whole thing just sort of fell. No, it wasn't my fault. Damn dog. Alright, I gotta restart again. Okay. I'm gonna leave this episode of Teardown here, aren't I, Keanu? Aren't I? I'm gonna leave it here. Yeah, there's a lot more stuff to explore in this mod pack. There's a lot, like, I only did, like, what, 2 maps? There are way more than 2 maps, so I'll do another episode. I might do another episode. And again, I'm sorry that I didn't upload. It's very hard for me to upload. So, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah, it's rewind time.